Ayun, style ni Kendrick Lamar talaga yan. Stepping style. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Potsky in the house. This time we're gonna do another reaction video still about Carl Angelo. If you notice the guy, actually, medyo matagal-tagal na pala siyang tawag nito. Tagal-tagal na pala siya sa industriya. And yan, kulang lang siguro siya ng recognition, guys. Ang ganda ng mga video nito ng aking tiningnan. Medyo tagal-tagal na rin siya sa YouTube or sa ganitong laro. Pero siguro kailangan lang niya ng recognition. Ang galing nito, guys. Tinatawag nilang ng karamihan na Kendrick Lamar ng Pinoy version of Kendrick Lamar. At sa mga hindi nakakilala kay Kendrick Lamar, isa din siyang foreign rap artist. Alright? Rap artist yan si Kendrick Lamar. Right? Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. And then let's check out this video. Right? Tingnan natin. Okay? Ito. Carl Angelo, Like Me. Right, here we go. Taan natin, guys. Ano daw to? Yeah. If they don't like you, it's cause they don't like them either. Ayos ng slogan na to. Meaning, kung ayaw ka nila, ibig sabihin ayaw din nila sa sarili nila. Ano yan, tawag nito. Ganun na yan, mga haters, yung mga bashers, kasi haters ganun hate. Pero yun nga, parang hate. Kung may pinaguhugutan yung nila, yung hate nila. Hate din nila yung sarili nila pa. So if you hate me, just remember what that means. O, diba? Yun na yun. Oh, teka. Yun pa rin yun. Oh, Yo Mars. Tingin ko yan. Yun yung tawag nila. Yan yung producer talaga niya yung nagsasalita siguro. Sino kaya yung producer? So, tingin ko isang team to.
Seen it like this. Right, left, never seen it like this. Strong chest, I beat it like this. Crew neck, brought it back in this bitch. Still got perfect vision.
Galing ng intro. Ganda ng niya. Pagsakan. Kaya ito parang na talaga to. Malaking production din yata to sila. Kasi tingnan nyo yung music video pa lang.
Crew neck, brought it back in this bitch. Still got perfect vision. Kinda swag make your girl reconsider. Thank you, man, in the summer and winter. Mr. Mirror, keep fucking with the village. It's not familiar. Funny how they acting familiar. Chilling with my inner circle, little roundhouse. You ain't got a lot of kick it.
No? Chilling inner circle like a roundhouse. Yun na. Parang nag-iikot sa paligid lang. Roundhouse. Parang ibang kasi ng roundhouse tipa yan siya. Parang spinning cake. Ewan ko. Correct me if I'm wrong. Para sa alam ko, yan siya. Isang uri ng sipa. Roundhouse. Tingnan natin.
Keep fucking with the village. It's not familiar. Funny how they acting familiar. Chilling with my inner circle, little roundhouse. You ain't got a lot of kick it, just be real with us.
Yan naman sipa. Kick it. Roundhouse is a kick.
Chilling with my inner circle, little roundhouse. You ain't got a lot of kick it, just be real with us. Ceiling up, y'all going broke. Stay ceiling up. Looking like necrophilia.
Big club looking like a pillion.
Y'all going broke. Stay ceiling up. Looking like necrophilia. Cause when you die, everybody start feeling ya.
Because when you die, everybody start feeling you. Ganun yun, guys. Dito sa buhay nga natin, no? Kung kailan pa mamatay yung tao, saka pa, tawag nito, saka pa lahat, yung mga kakilala mo na hindi mo nang kita, saka pang tawag nito, magpapapansin kung patay ka na. Or tingnan nyo yung sa mga social media na mga sikat, mga may kilalado, kung kailan pa namatay, saka pa may mga nagpo-post na ito para makisawsaw, makigatas din. Alam mo niya, yung iba nakikipagmaritesan dahil doon sa namatay, para yung iba naman para makagain ng views. Siyempre, ganun lang talaga. Pero real talk guys, kung kailan mamatay yung isang tao, lahat naman tayo papunta doon. Kung kailan mamamatay, saka pa maaalala, saka pa magsasabi ng magagandang bagay sa iyo. Saka tayo rin, kapag mamatay, isipin natin guys, siguro mga one month lang magluluksa yung mga mahal natin sa buhay, pero after that, balik buhay na sila sa kanilang mga sarili-sarili. Parang wala na, kalimutan ka na pagkatapos nun. Siguro siguro taon-taon ka na lang, swerte ka na kung may bibisitahin yung puntod mo. Anyways, continue natin to.
Looking like necrophilia. Cause when you die, everybody start feeling ya. Man, I know you're way too competitive. I want you to be jealous. So if you feel the way about me, that's what this game is about. Let me tell you, you like me. You like me. You probably like me, like me, like me, like me. You probably like me, like me, like me. That's
Yung beat niya parang nagre-remind sa akin ng Work It Like Miley. Parang plak 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 plak.
you probably like me, like me, like me. Time, that's the best that you can do, and I'm ahead of your prime.
I'm ahead of my time. If that's the best you can do, then I'm ahead of your prime. Ba yun?
Time, that's the best that you can do, and I'm ahead of your prime.
Woo!
Top 10 whatever list. Tear 'em down and I make it look effortless. So I said so. I wrote a couple eulogies in the metro. And if I'm gonna preach these retros, it's because I got my feet down, stomping on your neck though.
Ayun, style ni Kendrick Lamar talaga yan. Stepping style.
Metro. And if I'm gonna preach these retros, it's because I got my feet down, stomping on your neck though. Smoke when that piece hit. Smoke when that piece hit. Split ass. Indians over facts, how you piece head. Hold on. Face head. Hold on. Until you bust in the face head. Hold on.
Papansin natin dito sa music video niya, yan, parang hindi siyang pipitsugin lang na Talaga gaya yung sinasabi ko guys, medyo matagal-tagal na rin siya sa game na to, pero talaga, kulang lang ng recognition or support. And dapat supportahan natin itong mga ganitong klaseng talent guys. Grabe, pang international talaga.
Face head. Hold on. Until you bust in the face head. Hold on. You're a home run, girl. Get the stick. Face head. Cause they don't like me either.
Ayun pala yun. If they don't like you, it's cause they don't like them either.
Cause they don't like me either. So if you hate me, just remember what that means, sir. Oh, you like me, you like me. You probably like me, like me, like me, like me. You probably like me, like me, like me, like me.
Yan. Directed by 26 Does. Ewan kung sino yan. Kilala nyo. I-comment na lang. Yan. Tapos na pala. So yun guys, kita natin yung Like Me ni Carl Angelo. Ayos siya. Gaya ng sinasabi ko, ulitin ko guys, maganda yung niya. Ganito dapat yung mga sinusuportahan natin, mga talento, especially Pinoy. Proud Pinoy represent. Right guys, kung meron kayong alam ng video, comment nyo lang at ating i-react. So